Hi everyone, I wanted to make a short video just to review some of the things we discussed in class in case you had any lingering questions. So really quickly, we're going to talk about or review the differences between exact numbers and approximate numbers. We'll also talk briefly about significant digits and the differences between accuracy and precision. So to start off, let's remember that when we're talking about exact numbers, these are numbers that we got by using some type of counting process. For example, if we counted the number of people in our classroom and said that there were 14 people in class, that 14 would represent an exact number. However, approximate numbers are different in that approximate numbers are derived or a result of using a type of measurement tool. For example, if we measured your height and said that you were 5 feet and 3 inches tall, then the 5 feet 3 inches would represent an approximate number. Also with significant digits are the digits except for zeros that we need to locate a decimal and an approximate number. So in general, significant digits are non-zeros unless these zeros are sandwiched in between a significant digit and a decimal place, or we can take a look at this slide from our class presentation. It just reviews some of the rules for significant digits. So digits 1 through 9 are always significant. Like I said previously, the zeros that are sandwiched in between would also be significant. One or more additional zeros to the right of both a decimal place and another significant digit are significant. Again, that talks about the kind of sandwiching idea. Zeros that are used just as placeholders, like the leading zeros, are not significant. So if we would look at some more examples, we'll just do a couple and then we'll talk about accuracy and precision. So really quickly, let's look at this number. Let's look at the number in part A, 14,307. You'll notice that, again, the non-zero numbers are significant and the zero is significant because it's sandwiched in between other significant digits. So 14,307 has 5 significant digits. Let's look again at H. The 1400, those zeros come after the 4, which is a significant digit because it's non-zero, and also there's a decimal place. So 1400, including the 2 zeros that are in the hundredths place, would have 6 significant digits. Let's also look at the number 30. The number 30 by itself, without any decimal places, just a 3 and a 0, has 1 significant digit, and that significant digit is the 3. However, if we were to say 30 and 0 tenths, or 30.0, this number would have 3 significant digits. The 3 and both of the zeros would then be significant because those zeros come after a significant digit, but there's also a decimal place. All right? Now let's talk about the differences between accuracy and precision. Accuracy of a number refers to the number of significant digits, and then precision, we are looking at the decimal position of the last significant digit. So in example A, the number 431 is more accurate than the number 8 hundredths because 431 has how many significant digits? You're right, it has 3. How many significant digits does 8 hundredths have? It only has 1. So because 431 has more significant digits than the number we're comparing it to, the 431 is more accurate. A final example, if we look at the number 34 and 67 hundredths and compare it to 34 and 678 thousandths, we would say that 34.67 is less precise. Than the number we're comparing it to. The reason we say it's less precise is because we'll look at the decimal position of the last significant digit, this 7, is in what place, what decimal position? It's in the hundredths, okay? Whereas the 8 is in the thousandths. So again, it's less precise. So that's it for our short review video. Please let me know if you want me to make a video on another topic or if you have any more questions. Can't wait to see you all in class.